Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. This is look at our market leading stocks for the coming session. This is going to be for Monday, February 2nd, 2014. Got a fairly good downside day going here on the Nasdaq. A lot of the majors are starting to really break down. Seeing weakness today in Apple after sweeping to a new high, and also seeing weakness in Microsoft, Intel, and Cisco as well. Notice a bunch of the volume bumps here. Many of these are earnings driven, but we do have a fair amount of downside signals here in the Nasdaq patch. Amgen does have an RPS signal on a lot of volume, so keep an eye on that for reversal Monday. Biogen has the same condition on volume as well, and Google has one as well. So not real good for next week just yet. Financials, kind of a mixed bag here. Don't really have a clear picture. MasterCard's got a contra candle here on volume, so that's noteworthy. And Visa, kind of same setup as well. Energy names paired off between buys and sells. We did have a big spurt in oil futures, and so these are starting to benefit from that to get these. So make sure you have your levels all lined up on that for next week. Looking at the generals, pretty much paired off here between buys and sells. Got a pretty good VWAP deviation brewing right now in Best Buy, and a big open-close deviation in HPQ. Looking at housing names, not really where the action is today, though there is some pretty weakness in Lowe's and Home Depot. Both those are about 1% below the VWAP, which is quite a bit. American Airlines is real weak today. We've been kind of picking on these on the short side. Keep an eye on Delta as well. These are really starting to break down and reverse. And the higher energy prices will definitely fuel that to the downside. ACH has a downside CPS in the commodity patch on volume. There is definitely some good movement. Mosaic's got an RPS to the downside after being pretty strong today. That could be one to watch for next week as well. All right, folks, as always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.